Alright guys, a surprise that I have for you guys here is this. It's finally here, and finally got it out of pallet. I'm about to start opening it to check it out. Packaging, it was like, this is the package. I mean, it was made out of this, and it was just, well, like, really good packaged. There's at least a pound of screws. So yeah, let's dig into this and see what we got here. I do see a couple of things here that I don't know what they are. I think this is where they but anyway, I'm gonna put you on the stand and so you guys can see it. All right, let's do this. Let's try not to cut too much. This is really brittle. I already see a couple of things that I don't like. For example, this right here, it's been dented. Then there's a dent right here as well. Yeah, I don't know if this screw here is necessary. Could have glued it. Alright, so this one, good. This handle has been repainted. And then this one, this one too has a couple of dents. Alright, so this is just a bait. Alrighty. Let's check it out. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little dent right there, and there is a crack right here. So yeah, this plate was cracked. I don't know what's up with this the weather strip. It's been painted here or what, but yeah, overall it looks good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, next thing is install. So I'll let you guys know how it is. This one is way better than that one, but anyway, that's it for now. those are finally here. And of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe to check these out when I install them. Laters.